Would you rather be dead? Would you rather die here? What did you want to be, Raymond K. Hessel? The question, Raymond, was what did you want to be?
Answer him, Raymond. Jesus.
Yeah. What's going on, guys? Show some reactions.
What are we doing?
What are we doing? Homework assignment.
What kind of homework
We're checking out a new Hopsin video. I haven't heard from Hopsin in a little bit.
On a long enough timeline,
At least that
the
I've seen
survival
anyway.
rate
I
for
know he did
everyone
something
drops
with,
to zero.
Would you rather be
something
dead?
with NF. I don't even know if he said
Die
anything with
here?
Token.
What did you want to be, Raymond K. Hessel?
Oh, too much on that music. My bad. Woo, I hope I didn't blow anybody's speakers. Let's get this out of the way. All right, there we go. Good. Hopsin, Arrival. Oh, it looks like a Batman type thing. Like a comic book. Not Batman, but like a comic book. Hopsin's always super creative when it comes to stuff like this. All right, so Arrival. This is him. This is a video of this is Illmind the Hopsin 6 or 7, right? When he was like pretty much having a conversation with God, like yelling and screaming in the desert. It's got to be right, and then right. This is all the videos. Sag my pants. All the videos. Okay, somewhere in space. Arrival. Oh, this is. I can kind of already feel this concept.
The core is gonna shut down.
Life form detected.
The reactors are beheating.
You turn that thing off and I'll have your ass on the first departure back to Earth.
Great acting, because that's exactly what happens. And then things are happening. They're like, don't do it. Don't even. You dare touch that reactor. We have given too much to have this now. I would rather burn everything.
Tears dry, love gain, love lost.
Hold up.
The reactors are beheating.
You turn that thing off and I'll have your ass on the first departure back to Earth.
Back to Earth? So they're not on Earth. They're not on Earth.
Cried, tears dried, love gain, love lost. Real life.
Lost. He did that one song with NF, Lost.
Mind, much pain, much cost. Yes. Uprise, downfall, fuck nice, outlaw. Wait! Alright, let's get it. I'm not a nice nigga, soul is slightly demonic, that's why you see lights flicker. Lower your eyes and let your mind enter into a new dimension of vision.
Alright, cool concept for the video. You know, Hopsin's always dope. He's always got his flow, I feel, is dope. He's on point. He tells creative, elaborate stories. He's like almost like in a Slim Shady type of character, right? But like I think he's a little bit iller. No pun intended. No, I think he's a little bit iller than Slim Shady. I mean, now compared to Marshall Mathers and Eminem, I don't know, but I think Hopsin's dope. I like him.
Alright, let's get it. I'm not a nice nigga, soul is slightly demonic, that's why you see lights flicker. Lower your eyes and let your mind enter into a new dimension to visit divine sinners. Known to make all my enemies cry rivers. People be looking at me funny like I give up. You niggas nothing but line sniffers. This is the return of the omen, your time is up. Titanic and ice pillars that's going down. Supply manners cause shy niggas get voted out. When my passion, my life should have been over now. Cause I'm manic as spite, feeling a motor mouth. 5 years I've been tumbling endless, trying to climb out the bloodiest trenches, fucking horrendous. Mixing honeys and friends with money and sins. Eventually gets under your skin. I got grudges to live with.
Alright.
Quite the performance, Mr. Hopsin. You've won over all of our hearts.
Why'd you bring me here?
Well, I'm glad you asked. We need.
Is he from another world? Now they said over here that they were. She's like, I'll send you back to.
First departure back to Earth.
Back to Earth, right?
Get out of this.
Facilities to prevent a new civilian population. We need you to. Well, I'm glad you asked.
Okay.
We need you to draw the attention of the civilian population, while in turn we will infiltrate the corrupted government facilities to prevent a new world order.
And what am I supposed to get out of this?
We know the whereabouts of your son. Does that not interest you?
don't trust you. I don't trust any of you guys.
It's like a real movie.
But I'll still do it. Where am I going?
Earth? I mean, not Earth. He's not.
The Netherlands.
The Netherlands? What does the Netherlands have anything to do with it?
Netherlands.
Oh, no. Oh, this is too short, man. Nah, I want to hear another verse. Minor disturbance. Chapter 1, the Netherlands. Alright. I wanted to hear another verse. That first verse, I mean, obviously it's in fashion with who, Hopsin and his cadence and demeanor and all that was dope. But I wanted to hear more. And I guess that's what this is all about. I want to hear more. So, awesome. I don't know if you guys know who Hopsin is. If you're just checking me out and you're new to Hopsin, check out some Ill-Mind Hopsin. That you'll get like Hopsin's story from there. Also, there's one with my son where he responds to one of Hopsin's songs, which is pretty dope. And what else? He's done one with NF, Lost. It Sag My Pants is like kind of how I seen him. So anyway, check out Hopsin. Like, share, comment, subscribe, guys, on my channel. I really appreciate you following me. And until next time, peace.
Look, the people you are after are the people you depend on. We cook your meals, we haul your trash, we connect your calls, we drive your ambulances, we guard you while you sleep. Do not